Hello, my name is Zoe Lacey. I'm Head of International Relations at l'École de Design. Here we are in Nantes, in front of l'École de Design, and let's visit. So here we are in the Agora. At the École de Design we have 1,750 students, and we have students from all around the world. So the school has a very strong international dimension. Every year we welcome around about 150 international students into the school. We also send out all of our students abroad for a minimum of 1 semester. At the École de Design we have 2 international programs, one at undergraduate level, which is called the DENMAD. So international students come into the 3rd year of our undergraduate program, and they study for either 1 semester or 1 year in English alongside French students in mixed nationality groups. The second program is international master's program called International Design Strategy, where students come for 2 years to obtain a master's degree in design. The groups are mixed nationality groups, so French students and international students working together on design projects. These degrees are recognised by the French Ministry of Higher Education. So here students at the school work in multicultural groups, so they have a real intercultural experience. We have 5 studios abroad where students can go and study for 2 years and obtain their master's degree in design from the École de Design. Hi Hana.
Hi.
Can you tell us what you're working on?
Okay, I'm doing a lot of projects in this school. It's personal and also non-academic projects. And in this school, there are 2 kind of workshops. The digital workshops, where we can do a lot of digital aspect. For example, I have learned the Unity workshops, the model workshops, where we can do a lot of prototypes.
Here at the École de Design, we're lucky enough to benefit from 700 meters squared of workshops, where students can work on many different materials, including metal, wood, screen printing, ceramics, soft materials. This is really a place for experimentation and creation. It's a place that students can come and prototype their ideas and create their models. The school has a real professional focus. We have an apprenticeship centre within the school, and all of our students carry out internships throughout their course. Most of our teachers are professional designers, and the projects the students work on are with real companies. They're real company projects. Every year we have about 80 different company projects going on at any one time within the school. Hana, could you tell us about your internship?
Yes, in order to graduate from the school, I have to do an internship, and I managed to get one in Paris, and it is about the face design. And here I will learn a lot about the design, and it is a good opportunity to taste the professional context in front.
So here we are at the very top of the school, opposite the Machine de Lille and the famous mechanical elephant. We're right in the heart of the Ile de Nantes, which is Nantes' creative district. This district is a creative campus of international reference. Hana, can you tell us about the cultural and artistic dimension of the city?
So in Nantes, there are a lot of activities and attractions. Last summer, we have a festival music where everyone can sing and dance in the middle of the city center.
Can you tell us about life in Nantes?
There is a high population of students, so the city itself giving a lot of facility for students. There are several platforms to find accommodation. The school help us to find the accommodation, and it is easy to get around Nantes because there are a lot of tramway, and the public transportation is free during the weekend.
Indeed, the school does have a student union which helps international students settle into the school, organising events during the integration week. For example, escape games and evenings out, and there's also a boat trip at the weekend.
So you will be happy to find and discover a lot of things in this school, because this school is really pushing you into a professional aspect, and then you can do a lot of exploration in Nantes.
So you're interested in studying at the École de Design Nantes Atlantique? You want to learn more about our international programs? Don't hesitate to contact our admissions department to find out more.